Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to the unboxing for my week 10 order, which is just there. Now you're probably wondering, how have you got your order? I don't really know, to be honest. It arrived extremely quickly in comparison to recent weeks or this season in general. Like the LVTHER mugs, which I'll go through in a second, I unboxed on Thursday because that's when they arrived, which is obviously a week after the drop. But this has been like 2 working days basically and my order's here. So yeah, it's quite crazy how quick this one has arrived in comparison to others, but I'm not going to complain at the end of the day. As per normal, let me know down below whether your order has arrived. If it has, what did you order in the end? Are you going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up? And other than that, there isn't really a ton to say. Obviously, if your order hasn't arrived, comment down below. Voice crack, whether it's got a set date for when it will arrive, or if you even have received an email in general, because this season you're not really going to be receiving a lot of orders or order confirmations or shipping emails, just because that's how it is. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. It's a single item, so it's going to be extremely simple. And yeah, obviously I was also going to say, if you've got a box logo and it has arrived, or if it's got a date now for it to arrive, let me know down below, and congrats. I wish that I'd got one, but it is what it is, so yeah. Okay, so obviously I said about the LVTHER mugs, which I unboxed the other day and went through. I just thought I'd briefly basically just show them. Obviously the main aspect for these that I actually like about them is the box. In reality, is the thing that I actually like overall, just because it's simplistic, it's nice, you know. Obviously normal mugs from the company I think are like $15 or so. So this retail was, you know, a little bit higher than that, obviously, but I can't even open a box normally. There we go. But I think that personally they're pretty cool, and I'm probably just going to hold on to them for the future in the end. That is how they look. They're a little bit heavier than some normal mugs, I guess is the way to put it, but yeah. Nothing really crazy or over the top. A lot of people said that after they got the clear version that they would prefer to have got the red version, but personally, if you fill this up with something like I've got J2Os or things like that, or if you fill it up with something that is a different colour, then yeah, you can have a different colour for whatever you want for it, instead of it just being the standard red. But yeah, I think they're cool. I'll hold on to them for a while. I might end up using them at some point instead of like keeping them to sell, but you never know. So yeah, that is them. There we go. Right, moving on to the main thing for this week, or for this video actually. We have the Motion Logo skateboard deck or cruiser deck. Now, which way does this need to be opened? Just checking that I don't get it wrong. Now this obviously took a little bit of time before it sold out in the end. A lot of people said that was probably just due to the fact that it's a cruiser deck and not, you know, the normal skateboard deck. Personally, I don't think it should really matter, because I know that a large majority of the people who buy the Supreme decks aren't going to be skating them. There are like obviously a set amount who I do see skate them and they do use them, but a large majority aren't going to be skating them. They're going to be doing what I do and just like adding it to their collection or just holding on to it at the end of the day. As always, the #1 person for unboxing things is here. Okay, we are there now. So now I can actually unbox this and take it out. It is not in a skateboard bag, because obviously they stopped doing bags, so yeah, that's great. Glad that I've still got at least a bag available. Okay, it looks cool. The colorway was a good choice. I went with a good colorway choice. Right, we'll take it out together. Yeah, that's cool. That's clean. Okay, I'm gonna hold it that way. Look at that blue. That blue is great. We've got another sticker pack as well for the Valentine collaboration that they had. There are 2 stickers there, but they're not separating. Oh God. And yeah, let's turn this around. The wrap is actually intact for the amount that it was shaking around and knocking in the box. I'm surprised that it's actually so okay. But yeah, how do I do this turn? So I'm going to do that. There we go. And then yeah, there it is. So yeah, there is the skateboard. I'm happy. It's a cruiser deck, obviously not a normal skateboard. They don't really do the cruiser decks that often. The most expensive ones that I said the other day and I could think of were the Grand Prix and the PCL ones. And yeah, personally, I don't think this is as like up there as they are, but yeah, I still think it's a cool deck. It's clean and I'm happy that I've got it. It's going to be joining my collection. I'm literally just going to go and put it in one of like the bags with a couple of the others literally straight after this. So yeah, I'm happy that I've got it. It looks cool. And yeah, there's not much else to say. At least I've got a motion skateboard at the end of the day. Getting like the older ones isn't really a thing that's that easy to do. So yeah, I'm happy that I've got this one. Anyway, that is going to cover this video. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, did anyone get any of the Air Force Ones today? I didn't go for the EU restock just because I couldn't add a pair to cart. I know that some people did it straight on like 11. They were able to add to cart and get them, but I was on like at 11:03 or 4, so I was just like a minute or so or 2 minutes behind. And yeah, I just couldn't add any to cart, so I just gave up in the end. But yeah, that is going to cover this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you all next time, probably for a drop list video tomorrow, to be honest. So yeah, peace.